Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you last 15 days IBPS clerk strategy to clear the exam. This video contains quantitative aptitude reasoning English strategy along with daily targets and daily content posted in Telegram channel. Follow strict daily routine, definitely success comes with flying colors. Coming to quant section, the sequence is provided based on attempting questions in mock test. First simplification and approximation, next quadratic equations, next number series. In number series, if you get missing number series, then you have to do that first. If you get wrong number series, do that at last. Next data interpretation, you must be selective while answering data interpretation questions also. First check the questions based on data interpretation which are easier, means which are less lengthy and less calculative. Do that questions. Next go for the remaining questions, check which questions are easy, attempt those questions. At last attempt more lengthy questions. Next if you get easy caselet, then do that caselet. And next go to arithmetic section. In arithmetic section, first do average, percentages, boards and streams, craft and task, time and work, time speed distance, simple and compound interest, mixtures allegation, menstruation, data sufficiency. This is the sequence given based on easy to hard questions. For speed calculation, you must practice daily 25 tables, 50 squares, 20 cubes, percentages to fraction conversion, multiplication tricks. How to do DI and arithmetic fast. Daily 10 DIs you must practice, then you will be good at DIs. One mock test covers at least 3 DIs. So you give 2 marks at least, then 6 DIs, 6 to 8 DIs covered. Remaining 3 DIs practice from quizzes or from any YouTube video. Focus more time taking DI, practice again those DIs. Next go to arithmetic section. Solve all arithmetic problems of the mark. Then try to analyze. Try to think how to do in less time without seeing answer. This way you will get good at arithmetic. Practice on each topic if your concepts are not clear or if you are not completed all the topic once. Take one topic each day and practice that topic. Coming to reasoning section, do first miscellaneous questions like inequality, syllogism, coding, decoding, blood relation, directions and alphanumeric series. Then go for puzzles and seating arrangement. Data sufficiency, machine input output will come in mains. Mostly above 3 topics only come in prelims. For this topic, next how to do puzzles fast. Daily at least 15 puzzles you must practice, then your speed increases in puzzles. Solve from mocks. Mocks covers, if 2 marks you take, then it covers at least 10 puzzles. Next remaining 5 from 1000 puzzle series or Puzzle Mania Hollywood book or Adda textbook practice mark quizzes. Or if you are not comfortable with quizzes or book, then go for YouTube videos. Watch any video which contain puzzles. After solving all the puzzles, find out which puzzle took more time and work on it. That way you will be good at puzzles. For remaining topics, one topic each day, like directions one day, next blood relations next day, so that speed in miscellaneous topics as well as puzzles improved. Next coming to English section, English syllabus daily targets. Fillers, error detection, column matching, sentence connectors, phrase replacement, close test, idioms and phrases, vocabulary, reading comprehension, paragrams. These are the most frequent topics which will come in the examination. The sequence to be attempted in the exam, English section. Fillers do first if you get easy, next error detection, next column matching, next sentence connector, like that you do remaining. Coming to reading comprehension, there are mainly 4 methods. First count paragraphs of the given passage. If it contains more than 3 paragraphs, then follow below methods. If passage contains less than 3 or 3 paragraphs, then direct read and answer the questions. First method is note keywords from the passage and answer the questions. Next is read the first and last line of the paragraph and get aware about the passage and answer the questions. Next note all keywords of the questions, then answer the questions by reading passage. Try these methods. If you find which will be easy, you have to follow that. Do this. Thank you. I hope it will be helpful. Daily PDFs are provided in Telegram.